at Joey's Only in Prince George. We have partaken in a lot of their food over the last while. We did that shrimp challenge, and how many did we dummy on the shrimp challenge? All you can eat shrimp. 100. See, they know better than we do. 160 shrimp we dummied last round, and you know what? We just seen all the ads coming up
I
on
think
Facebook.
there's 62 actually, but
160.
well, we'll say 160.
So yeah, quite a bit of shrimp. Absolutely amazing, all their fish and stuff. So we've seen the ad come up for the all-you-can-eat shrimp tacos. The owner here, Sean, will tell us what's going on with this all-you-can-eat fish tacos, and we're gonna dummy a bunch of them today.
Yeah, so it's Thursday. It's our taco day. It has been taco day for years. We can do all you can eat tacos, either fish, chicken, or shrimp. So you got choices.
Dude, I didn't realize that. I thought it was just
I'm going
fish
all around the
tacos.
world
Oh,
tonight.
dude, we're going like the shrimp, like with the all-you-can-eat shrimp. We had so many different variations, and yeah, with the tacos, I didn't realize. I thought it was just fish tacos. So you can choose anything. We're going around the world. We're gonna try them all. We're gonna eat you out of shrimp, fish, and chicken. Dude, you're gonna have nothing left at the end of this.
Yeah.
So if you guys are hungry, come now.
So how much does it cost for all-you-can-eat tacos?
It's $23 for all you can eat tacos.
And you get two sides with it too.
And you get
Oh
two
my
sides.
God, that's the deal, guys.
Sweet. So every Thursday here at Joey's Only in Prince George, we're gonna turn it around. We're gonna start on these tacos.
And we're gonna put a challenge out to anyone who, after we evade our tacos, can beat our record. We will give you a free Sly Dog and Cool Cat hat.
And
We'll take a tally of them at the end, and we'll put it on our board out front. And anybody who can come in and beat it, we'll figure out something for them as well.
so yeah, we'll do it up. And we're doing team challenge. It isn't just individual. Me and Sly are
You
gonna
gotta
go
beat us
individual.
both.
It's got to be team challenge. So come in with your best friend, and let's do the team challenge. Get
Or
everybody
even
out
someone
here.
you don't like, just because you
Yeah.
know they can eat a lot.
Yeah, exactly. So
Like
it-
that jerk beside you at work.
So yeah, it'll be a team challenge. So bring in a friend, bring in the jerk from work, and let's do it up. Bring everybody down here, Joey's Only, on Thursday for all-you-can-eat tacos.
Perfect.
All right.
Good luck, guys. Here we go, guys.
Oh,
fish
dude.
tacos to start.
First
Fish
round.
tacos.
Oh
There we
god,
go.
and we got fries and coleslaw to go with it.
I got mashed potatoes and coleslaw.
I'm going to just move this stuff out of the way because the others are coming right now.
He's got them lined up, dude. So we got the fish tacos to start.
Here's
Here
number
we
one.
go. Here's number one right there. Wow, those are freaking amazing. Got like there's like a chipotle sauce in there, coleslaw, all the fixings, dude. This is amazing.
Is there a mango salsa kind of? I'm tasting something like sweet.
Mango salsa.
Oh, there it is. Just don't be an ass to me every time. I was legitimately asking you a question. There's something sweet on there that's delicious. That's why.
I think we can. Yeah. So what's the sweetness on this fish tacos?
So you've got chipotle mayo in the bottom, a little bit of cheese, and then your fish, and then you've got a fresh made pico de gallo.
That's what it is,
Yeah.
right there.
Pico de gallo.
Chicken,
Oh my god.
and another chicken, and another shrimp.
Wow.
Enjoy, boys.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you. I'm going shrimp next.
Those fish ones are amazing. Oh my god. So good.
Oh my god. Shrimp.
So I don't die.
I didn't really choke. If you want to see a real choke, check us out at home. It's Basic Pizza Challenge.
Yeah, that one was bad. Oh my god. Chicken, yam, coleslaw, pico de gallo, chipotle.
Amazing.
Dude, that chicken one's freaking sweet. Oh my god.
It's good. You can ask. Come say hi to the world.
Well, I gotta be on this
Hi
side.
guys. I hope you're enjoying.
Oh, heck yeah.
So good.
Perfect. Anything else I can grab for the moment? Any desserts or anything?
Mhm.
Sure, I'll get Ayla to bring you over a menu.
So yeah, we're gonna dummy as many as we can. If you come in and double up on the challenge, you'll get your name up on the board here. Oh my god.
Oh, they get something. We don't know what yet.
The first pair to do it up will be getting a pair of Sly Dog and Cool Cat hats for sure. Here's number 4. Got another chicken one. Dude, these are freaking phenomenal. Oh my god.
I really want to eat you in the sea.
Like, I don't know what I would choose as a better. They're both awesome. Chicken's a little crunchier than the
I
fish,
love-
but
I love the chicken
the
now.
flavors are amazing.
So we have to eat these sides too. So I'm gonna do a little cheating here.
This is number 5.
Do a little cheating to get rid of my side here.
Oh man. And we've decided beforehand too that we will be doing a dessert after.
As part of the challenge, you have to have dessert after you eat it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The chicken's really funny. It's really good, but
These shrimp ones are freaking the ball.
that's my favorite one so far.
Mm-hmm. Nice. You can have your choice of chicken, shrimp, or fish.
Oh,
Number 6. I'm gonna have to finish mine. You want me to finish yours too for you?
No, that's slow and steady wins the race, buddy.
How we doing, boys?
All right, good. I'll get one more of each for just.
One more of each?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, good. Oh, the shrimp ones are amazing. I think those are definitely my favorite, the shrimp tacos. And some of the desserts are like Nanaimo bar cheesecake, creme brulee cheesecake, deep fried mud pie, like, oh my god. Alright, sit down. Get some sides going here. Whew.
I'll take 4 shrimp.
4 shrimp.
You okay over there?
Yeah, I'm doing better. I'm just well done this round. Feeling good, feeling pretty confident here. I'm sure it's going to change very shortly. How you doing?
Doing not bad. Not bad.
Dude, the flavors on these things are good. The fries are freaking awesome. I didn't think these tacos were going to be that big. I was thinking, dude, like we could totally do 20 of these, but that's definitely going to be a push.
These shrimp ones are so
I think it's going to be a push to do 10. Especially with these sides. And yeah, you definitely got to pick your two sides. But they're awesome.
Okay, the tacos have been made right now.
Nice.
Just a little side note I forgot to mention. So the chipotle mayo that you're tasting and the pico, everything's made fresh.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's
So we
why.
made
Yeah.
that all in house here this morning.
Wow.
Yeah.
Special for us? Aw,
Yeah,
such a
absolutely.
nice guy, buddy. Any day you come in, you will get fresh pico de gallo and chipotle.
Made special for us.
No. But now, from now on, continuing on, it's special for you guys as well. So come on in.
Don't lie to them. Okay, I'm just being a knob. A knobby knob knob. Uh-oh. Where's the first burp?
How'd that feel?
Great. What did I have not room for another? What? I think I picked something different than the mashed potatoes this time because they're so heavy.
Filling up on the mash. Nope. Got 6 down in my sides, so all I got left is more tacos. Was that my napkin or yours?
Well, this one's mine, so.
Oh, dude. How you doing over there, Sly? You got 4 more coming?
Yeah,
4 shrimps?
4 shrimps.
Oh, dude. I can't believe that they're the fresh chipotle made in house and pico de gallo, like the sauces. That's unheard of. You know, a lot of restaurants they'll bring it in prepackaged, but not. So yeah, that's pretty freaking amazing to be able to make it in house fresh every day.
This coleslaw is amazing today.
Oh my God, there was my first burp. Oh, I got lots of room now too. Bring on 10 more. You want 10 more?
I'm doing that.
Oh. What are you thinking?
I have food everywhere.
You got coleslaw on your
Right
eyeball.
on my eye.
Yeah, check that out. You want to get a good close look at how good the coleslaw was.
I was just making sure quality control.
Oh, dude, how come I got a lime and you got a lemon? Might as well pound them back. That's part of your platter there, Sly.
No, it's on my drink.
I'll take it. That's some lime. Oh God. That's some sour lime. Oh my god.
Oh,
There's my palate cleanser. Well, that's what I said. Oh. Oh man.
Oh, that's worse than that. Gobstopper.
Oh god. Here we got some more coming up here. Oh buddy, we got our
Round
next
two.
round coming up
Chicken,
here.
1 fish, and 1 shrimp.
Oh,
And 3
nice.
shrimp, and I got
All right.
1 more coming for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Ding ding.
Ding ding, here's the next round. This is number 7.
Oh, now they're filling them more.
Oh dude, yeah, yours are definitely packed. Wow. Yeah, the shrimp ones definitely don't feel like they're as stuffed as the chicken and
Oh,
this one's.
first one's work. Right. This one.
You got a lot of salad in there. Oh my god. Dude, we got this.
You gotta soak it down a little bit. He sells my stomach.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I like, dude, I'm having a hard time deciding which one are my favorite. I'm thinking, I like the chicken the best. Good meaty chunk of chicken. And all, like all the toppings, pico de gallo.
My favorite would change on the mood I'm
What mood are you in now?
well, for this round, it's shrimp. Who
Good,
knows?
shrimpy mood. Oh my god. Number 7. Dude, I'm petering out. And if we gotta dumb me off with dessert too. Oh my god.
You went too hard at the beginning, that's why.
Second one. This is number 8. Another chicken, oh my god, yeah. I think that one's my winner. Chicken
I like how
taco.
crispy it is.
Yeah. Got all the good outside coating. Oh my god.
One more, your last shrimp.
This size one more than me, dude. So on the desserts, I think I want to go with the Nanaimo bar cheesecake.
I'm not ready for dessert yet.
Okay. Sly's gonna
But
order
yeah,
more.
I'm gonna get the same thing when I go.
Do you want more tacos? Or are we tapping out? We got a winner here.
I think Sly's gonna take her with the one extra one here. I'm getting pretty. I'm petered
I'll
out.
check back with you in just a few minutes here.
Like I was thinking, like those little tacos you get. I was thinking, oh yeah,
Yeah, no, these are
heavy.
huge.
That's a meal.
And even on a regular basis, you're like, if you don't want to do all you can eat tacos, they're $4 a piece, and that's a great price for just a single tacos, right? Oh my god.
I need another iced tea though.
Okay. god. Just got one more and dessert. Oh my god. How you doing?
I'm still going.
Nice.
I don't know. I think some iced tea though. Okay, some.
I have my 9th one coming up here. I think this one's going to be my final. And I'm tired with open to dessert after this. Oh god. This was absolutely amazing. Dude, I want to thank Joey's Only, Sean, Hannah, the whole crew here.
My goal,
Absolutely wonderful here at Joey's Only. Dude, come on down.
my goal coming in was 12, and I was thinking of those little ones. But I might be able to do it still. I'm on number 9, and I'm 10 there.
You want to dump me 2 more for 12?
Let's see where I'm at after 10. Remembering I still have to eat a piece of cheesecake. But I was
probably
I
like-
was thinking 12, like with those
Do you
mini.
want to see the cheesecake before you eat it?
You're getting yours already, are you?
Yeah.
So I'll know where I'm at.
Oh my god. Absolutely amazing. This tacos, holy crap, dude. Oh.
Hey, that guy looks like Cactus Jack. You see Cactus Jack over there?
Our Cactus Jack in the building, yeah. Dude, these are freaking phenomenal. Finishing off with the fish. I didn't go any more than 9. I had high hopes on doing 10. There's no possible way. Dude, absolutely amazing. Sly's gonna bump up the numbers, so at least we have 20 for the pair of us. And the first team to beat the challenge.
Keep
beat
your
what we
receipt.
dummied.
Keep your receipt to prove it.
Yeah.
Contact us on Sly Dog and Cool Cat. Facebook.
And yeah, we'll get you guys your hats. But
Also, you should subscribe while you're there.
oh, buddy.
I need iced tea.
You want a lemon instead?
No, I need the liquid. I need the liquid.
There's some vinegar there.
Do you want me to bump the numbers up or not? Can I get another iced tea, please?
And the water. Thanks. Dude, you're a freaking machine, buddy. Well, that's number 10 for you right there.
Yeah.
You got
I'm
it.
starting to back up to the wall now, but let's go.
Oh,
Am I feeling trouble?
put it in locked and loaded mode.
Locked and loaded. 10 going down now, right here. Joey's Only. Prince George. What? Thursday. Yep.
All you can eat tacos.
What?
All you can eat tacos.
I said what?
Thursday, Joey's Only. All you can eat tacos.
That's right. And there's your commercial right there.
Holy crap. You got
That
2
part.
more? You got 2 more?
Yeah. Can you done for me?
Oh god. You sure you got 2 more?
I did.
Was that a hiccup or like?
It wasn't a. It was the shrimp hit the back of my throat without being chewed.
Shrimp was bouncing off your uvula.
I was playing tennis with the shrimp with the uvula. Was it get cold or you hit it around the pole?
Oh. I'm dummy and 9. I'm chopping out other tacos.
Really good iced tea right now.
Do you want an iced tea?
They probably went to Iceland to get it, eh?
Maybe.
It's not fresh. Fresh from Iceland, iced tea.
I find iced tea. It's gonna be cold too.
Oh, it's so good. You think I can make my goal? Think I can make my goal?
20, yeah, you got it.
My goal was 12.
No. 12, yeah, you got it. Whatever your goal was, that you want 2 more shrimp?
I do.
Okay. We'll get you a couple more shrimp tacos. I'm done. 9.
I'll get 2 more shrimp.
2 more shrimp.
Dude, all the power. Slice beat me even on that one, let alone having 2 more after that. So, congrats, Sly. You did it, buddy. Proud of you. Now we still got desserts to finish off. So, oh, dude. Dude, you're leaking.
I need that liquid though to keep it in.
You're leaking. Oh.
Not too bad. Look at that. I'm not wearing like as much as I thought I would be. 10 down.
10 down. Woo! A couple more coming. There we go. Oh, dude, the final 2 have arrived for Sly. I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and wait for my Nanaimo bar cheesecake to get here. Sly's gonna dump me a couple more, hopefully, to get us to 12 for him. I finished off 9.
Oh, I'm wet.
That'll take us.
I'm wet.
Sly's a little wet on these last couple here. Oh, God. Here we go. This is number 11 for Sly. You gonna do it, buddy?
I don't know now. I was waiting for them and I was still good. But then sat there for a while. But I'm gonna fight.
Nice. You got this, buddy. I got faith in you. Go Sly. Go Sly. Go Sly. Go Sly. Oh. Dude, I'm so proud of you. Like, you got this, buddy. Like, you freaking nailed this so hard.
You're probably because my mom said, what the hell is he doing?
Yeah. Our moms are always so proud of us, too, so... Yes,
Love you, Mom.
you made us. Yeah, I love you, Mom. Oh, dude, the look on your face. You'll be okay, dude.
Well, look at this because I'm dripping all over my lap.
Oh, that's some juicy shrimp. Good old juicy shrimp tacos. Yeah, I'm glad you're able to pound through it. That's going to be putting up our total in again. Anybody that can come in and you know, beat our total of it's going to be if Sly's able to finish these 2 off. Well, if he finishes the one,
This one's
we'll
20.
be at 20. And you'll have to come in as a pair and finish off 20 tacos for a pair of hats.
Sounds a lot easier than it is.
Dude, those are some big tacos. They're amazing and such a great deal. Come on into Joey's Only and see if you can take down 20 tacos between the pair of you. And yeah, you'll be walking away with Sly Dog and Cool Cat hat. Oh, my favorite, again, the chicken taco. I would try them all. for the first round. Definitely give them all a good try. Everybody has their own. Oh, we got a cockeyed hat now. This is getting for real. The look of despair, Sly. You got this, buddy.
There's that cheesecake ordered before.
Let's get that cheesecake.
No.
Can we get 2 cheesecakes? The Nanaimo bars? Yep. You got this, buddy. Go slide, go slide. You got this. You're my best friend. You got this. Cheers, buddy. This is a great challenge. Sorry I couldn't keep up to you. I tapped out at the 9.
That's okay.
Sly's pulling up the slack for me like always. He's a superstar. So we're going 20. You stopping at 20, buddy?
You've got this love and feeling.
Oh,
Can't
buddy.
stop this love.
Oh my
and feeling.
God, look at these. Oh my good God. These freaking, it looks like a Nanaimo bar. And it's a cheesecake. Holy crap. That's phenomenal. You want me to wait for you?
You don't have to. I want you to sing me love and feeling while I eat this last taco.
You got the love and... I don't even know the songs. Hey, I'm hooked on a feeling. So high I'm believing. Sly's gonna finish this taco. Sly, don't die. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my Nanaimo cheesecake here. Sly's gonna die. Don't die, Sly. Oh my God. This freaking cheesecake, dude. It is freaking phenomenal. It's like a Nanaimo bar in cheesecake form.
Yes, please.
Oh my God, yes. Come down after your mass amounts of tacos. Finish off this.
Don't choke like I just did.
You don't choke.
That was almost a mess.
Get messy and yeah. Oh, dude, I am so stuffed. But oh my
Thank you.
God, this is well worth. Dude, you can feel free to tap out. We did 20.
And a half.
20 and a half. Good job, buddy. Dude, that freaking cheesecake. Oh my God. I would come here just for that cheesecake. A great night. Tacos. Cheesecake. Oh man, we're done. I don't even know if I can finish my cheesecake here, but it's delicious, dude. Come on down, finish off. We had 20. If you can beat 20 tacos, you're gonna get yourself.
Oh, I got that when the camera was off. That was 20 once.
We got a pair of hats for you guys.
20 and a half.
20 and a half.
You have to eat 21.
Yeah, you gotta eat 21 tacos to beat it. So come on down, Joey's Only Thursdays. All you can eat tacos. Chicken, fish, and shrimp. Thanks to everybody here. It's gonna be awesome. That freaking cheesecake, dude, it's phenomenal. Grab yourself a cheesecake as
Oh my
well.
God.
I know.
I can eat 20 of those.
Yeah. Awesome. On behalf of myself, Cool Cat,
Slide out.
we're here, Joey's Only. All you can eat Thursdays, every Thursday, all you can eat tacos.